Yo, what's good? What's good? It's your boy Matty Ice, Ice Cold Crypto, man, the diversified hustler. Wanted to come to y'all today, man, to do a quick video, to do another unboxing of, man, some more silver that I received in the mail. Exactly, some more silver that I actually received free of charge again. I actually got 3 ounces of silver in the mail the other day. Just want to show y'all some of the coins that I got. And also, man, if you don't know, man, there's going to be a link down at the bottom. If you actually click that link, it can show you how you can also receive silver free in the mail yourself, if that's something you want to do. And also can show you how you can also acquire this asset at the cheapest price that you can find anywhere on or offline. And just for taking a tour of the site and clicking the link, man, you also will get a free gram of silver shipped to your house. That's all you gotta do is pay the $2.50 shipping and handling charge. But it's a limit, 1 per household. But check out that link, man, to give you some information on exactly how I'm acquiring this asset free of charge. And some of it I actually do pay for, but I'm actually getting it at the best price that you can find anywhere on or offline. So by the time it's shipped to my house, I'm already in profit. But hey, check it out if you're interested. But I don't want to make this video too long, so let's do this quick unboxing. I'm gonna show you these coins, see what we got in the mail. So again, I said we got like 3 ounces of silver. They come wrapped up in these cases. Let me pull all this out, see what we got in here. I hope everybody doing good today, you know, with everything that's going on in the world, man. Hey, there's still blessings out here, man, so hope y'all focusing on things that we can control and that we can take advantage of, instead of trying to, you know, focusing on all the negative that's going on in the world, man. But that's just my 2 cents on it. But let's see what we got in the mail today, y'all. So again, I got 3 coins here. I'm gonna put the names of the coins up. I'm trying to remember the names of the coins, but these some real nice coins. They come in the protective cases already. I believe this is called the Double Dragon or the Twin Dragon coin right here. If you can, hopefully y'all can see this. I'm gonna try to get it to focus. So this is one of the coins that was received today. Go 2019. Oh, glad it's in the case. Double Dragon coin. Another dragon coin right here. Again, 1 ounce silver round. Piece number 2. Yeah, piece number 3. So again, those are the 3 ounces of silver that I received in the mail. Last week I actually got 6 ounces of silver delivered in the mail. 2 of those pieces I actually got free of charge, and then the other pieces I actually purchased. So again, man, we just acquiring real assets out here, and silver is one of the assets that I like to acquire, along with Bitcoin and other things, man. You know, to me, diversification is the name of the game. Definitely don't want to save all of your money in cash and fiat. You want to put it in things that's going up in value, because if you're paying attention to what's going on in the world financially, I hope you'll see that you want to be taking some type of action right now with all this money printing that's going on. The Fed buying up stocks, man. They devaluing the dollar. It's been being devalued for years, but man, it's going in hyperdrive right now. You may not notice it, but it's going to happen so fast, man. You're going to wish that you were putting your money somewhere else, something that's not tied to the banks and the stocks. Yeah, we in uncharted territory right now, but one thing is for certain: things like silver and gold, which has been money for centuries, will still have value as we going through this transition. And I also believe, just back to one of my other favorite assets, a new asset class, digital currencies, like Bitcoin and things like that, are going to have tremendous value moving forward. Because a lot of people are right now investing in stocks, man. People who I never heard before talking about buying stocks and investing in things like that are now buying stocks, and I'm happy to hear it and see that they're interested in it. But I want people to pay attention to what's going on right now. Like, while the average Joe is buying into the stock market right now, that's why it's an artificial pump, because there's a lot of retail investors, people who've never invested before, seeing these cheap prices and in these companies, and they're buying them up cheap, like companies like Hertz, for example. People saw the stock price was 50 cents, so they started buying it. But that company is in bankruptcy, so you're buying a stock in a company that's in bankruptcy, and a stock that's actually probably going to be delisted. So it pumped up for a while, but then it's come back down, and that's going to happen with a lot of these stocks that people are buying right now, because a lot of people are betting on stocks, like gambling, honestly, right now, because there's no sports betting, so there's a lot of people who are just putting money into this stock market. But while you're putting your money in it, man, the powers that be, the elite, they're exiting that system. It was a mass exodus of CEOs last year. Like, CEOs left companies like Disney and a lot of the Fortune 500 companies. I believe it was over 100 CEOs who have left their positions, sold all of their stocks in the last year, and now they're probably chilling on an island watching all of this unfold, while the regular Joe is buying into this stock market while they're exiting. And then we're gonna have a big crash. I don't know when, but I believe it's coming. But again, this isn't financial advice. This is just my opinion. But that's why you diversify. I'm not saying don't take advantage of what's going on in the stock market, but make sure you're taking profits as it's going up. But make sure you're using some of those profits to buy some real assets like silver and gold. And I think silver is actually a better purchase than gold right now. I believe it's more undervalued. And also, again, I want to do videos on how you can acquire some digital assets like Bitcoin, that I believe is going to be the fastest horse in the race as we transfer wealth. But again, that's just my 2 cents on it, man. I just wanted to do a quick video talking, showing some of the silver that I received in the mail, man. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you want more information, just hit me up, or you can click that link in the bottom, get your free piece of silver, and find out how you too can start acquiring these assets in your mailbox every month. And also with Bitcoin, man, you can acquire assets right on your smartphone, you know, right in the palm of your hand. This is the new gold rush right here. We didn't have this back in 2008. We didn't have this back in the .com boom. It wasn't this easy to acquire a real asset. Like, you might think Bitcoin isn't real, but pay attention to what's going on. We have banks, we have major hedge funds, we have NASDAQ, we have ICE. They're acquiring massive amounts of Bitcoin and digital currencies. It's happening right under your nose. So just like how 2% of the wealth, 95% of the wealth is held by just 2% right now in this financial system, because most people aren't paying attention. 2% is going to hold 95% of the wealth in the new digital system. It's a fact, you know. So just try to get your piece of it, man. That's my 2 cents on it. Don't want to make this video too long, but man, it's your boy Matty Ice, Ice Cold Crypto, and I'm out.